Kaya parang, siyempre hindi mo kasi alam kung paano mo pang umarte, na baka pagalitan ako direct ng todo-todo, yung gano'n. Pero dahil sa mga suporta po nila, nagawa naman po naman ng maayos po.
Thank you, Miho. How about you, Tom?
Well, we're very excited to be a part of the movie. This is our first major film that we did actually together, and it was a fun experience, a really big learning experience, and we're hoping for it to go well so we can have more projects.
Thank you. Tanungin natin si Direk. Kumusta naman yung experiences mo? Kay Tommy, Miho, Jake, and Angeli.
I am so fortunate na yung mga artista na assign sa akin for Foolish Love. They are all professionals. At mahusay sila, umarte. Alam nila ang gagawin nila, alam nila kung anong uri ng pelikula ito. Lalo yung dalawang ito, na supposedly bago lang sila, masusurprise kayo na magaling sila. Magaling sila, alam nila ang kanilang ginagawa, and they're so professional. Si Jake, matagal ko nakasama, is always a good actor. He's always the best actor for me. And maganda ang kanyang attitude towards work.
Angeli, the second time to direct.